Ever.
Okay. Mr.
Ever.
Curtis, give me another example of the wrestling.
Well, another example is she does these things called sessions where people pay to come in and have I guess, a little fantasy wrestling match for 30 minutes or an hour, and these are all non-pro wrestlers. They're just average guys that are wanting to come in and roll around with a half-naked woman for 30 minutes to an hour. This right here is what she's wearing to these so-called sessions. I mean, look at it. Who in the world
No, Your Honor.
can
Now,
fit
I'll
into
wear
that?
pants over top of that.
No, she doesn't.
Yes. Your Honor, have you not ever
Just
seen
like,
wrestlers on
look
TV?
at this. Yeah, wrestlers
You don't
on
even
TV
know how
are
it works,
covered.
do you?
No. See, look at that.
Is that what you wear
No,
during
he's mad.
sessions?
He's so mad and jealous because I won't wear that stuff for him in the bedroom, Your Honor.
That's wrong.
But do you wear it with the other guys?
When I wrestle, I wear those outfits.
Well, can't you just for him?
You know how many times I've asked her for that, and she still won't do it? No, they're for wrestling only. I mean, come on.